So in this question, it's given a jumbo jet reach a speed of 360 km per hour on the runway for takeoff. What is the lowest constant acceleration needed for takeoff from a 1.80 kilometer runway? Okay, so let me write what is given. Final speed 360 kilometer per hour, which if we want to write it in meter per second, we just have to multiply it with 5 by 18 meter per second. 18 20, so this will give us 100 meter per second. Now initial speed, it will be 0 meter per second. Now the distance or displacement that has been given to us is 1.80 kilometer, which we can write it as 1800 meter. So we can use the relation. Now we can use the relation which is Vf square equal to Vi square plus 2as. So here Vf square, so we will write it as 100 square equal to 0 square plus 2 times A we have to find out here, and S is given as 1800. So from here we can write A as 10000 by 2 times 1800, which will give us a value of 2.78 meter per second square, which will be our final answer. That's all.